Here is a list of 10 powerful herbs and ingredients that you can combine with propolis in order to maximize its potency and reap the wonderful benefits. Propolis is a resinous substance collected by bees, and it is known for its potential health benefits, including antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. When you combine propolis with specific herbs as well as amino acids, this will enhance its effects and broaden its applications. I'm going to talk about 10 herbs that you can combine with propolis that complement beautifully and work together to enhance the benefits that each of these ingredients has. Now, if you are looking for a extra immune support, use Echinacea. Echinacea is known to help boost and regulate the immune system. Combining it with propolis will offer a wonderful support for the immune system, especially during times of increased vulnerability to infections. If you are looking for synergistic properties, use honey. Now, honey and propolis are derived from bees. Now, propolis is derived from beehives. Combining it with raw, high-quality honey will help to maximize its benefits. Honey itself has antimicrobial properties, and it really adds a natural sweetness. If you are looking for anti-inflammatory properties, combine it with curcumin. Turmeric's active compound curcumin has the potential to really help with providing anti-inflammatory effects. Combining propolis with turmeric may help to provide additional support against inflammation and help to reduce oxidative stress. Digestive benefits, what you're looking for, then your best bet is ginger and propolis. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that support digestive health. When you pair it with propolis, this offers a dual action approach to inflammation and digestive issues. About a wonderful antioxidant boost, use quercetin, which is found in many fruits and vegetables, and it has really powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. So when you combine it with propolis, it really helps to enhance these properties. Collagen synthesis is important for you. Use vitamin C with propolis. Vitamin C is important for collagen synthesis as well as immune function, so combining it with propolis really helps to support skin health and reinforce the immune system. If immune system support is your major goal, use zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral for immune function. Combining propolis with zinc really offers additional immune boosting benefits, and this is really important for helping to regulate the immune system. And you can usually find these products available as an oral throat spray. You're looking for an antiviral boost? Lysine is your hero. Lysine is an amino acid that is known for its antiviral properties. Combining lysine with propolis really provides a comprehensive support against certain viral infections. To calm the nervous system, try chamomile and propolis. Chamomile is known for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties. When combined with propolis, it's important for conditions relating to the nerve health, inflammation, and reducing stress. Lastly, we have skin health. Propolis as well as aloe vera is important for supporting overall skin health and healing. Combining propolis with aloe vera offers synergistic effects for various skin-related issues such as rosacea, eczema, and psoriasis as well. Before you go and combine these ingredients with propolis, there's some important things that you need to know about. 3 important things. First of all, quality matters. Always opt for a high-quality propolis and also a high-quality ingredient to combine with the propolis. Choose one of the 10 ingredients that we talked about in today's video, and always ensure purity, and also try to make sure that it is organic as much as possible. In regards to point number 2 regarding the dosage, now follow the dosage requirements. Each supplement has a specific dosage. Always start with a lower dose, especially if you are new to a particular ingredient. And lastly, consult with your healthcare professional, especially when you are combining specific ingredients together, because you may have underlying health conditions, you may be on regular medication. Some of these herbs may not work well for you. If you enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Let me know what kind of videos you're interested in so I know what to make and focus on next.